So in this Adobe Lightroom tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to crop an image here in Adobe Lightroom. So once you have Adobe Lightroom open up on your device, press whatever photo you want to add. So as you can tell, I just took a photo of my blue binder here. So it's kind of bluish and white. Doesn't really matter. But if you just want to crop an image, it's super simple. Just go to the bottom to where it says crop. So right in between presets and healing, press on crop. Then once you're on this screen, what you can either do, I simply just drag the corner and you can crop it sort of into the shape that you want. Obviously, if you crop more, you can kind of zoom inwards, and you can also just press on it and sort of drag it into where you want to crop it. Also, what you can do as well is you can just press where it says 3x4 in the bottom left, and you can change the dimensions of it right now. So if you wanted to make it 1x1, you can make the crop, 7x5, whatever the case is. You can do crops that way, or what you can do, as I mentioned before, is sort of customize it on your own by going as large or as small as sort of what you're looking for. So pretty basic. That is how you guys can crop an image here in Adobe Lightroom. So let's just say if you wanted to do that, go to the bottom right and press on check, and there you go. So as I mentioned before, that is how you guys can crop an image here in Adobe Lightroom. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helped.